Welcome to your cosmic meditation journey, where we'll explore the wonders of the universe and find deep relaxation amidst the stars. Before we begin our cosmic voyage, take a moment to connect with your body and invite a sense of relaxation to settle in. Find a comfortable position, whether sitting or lying down, and allow your body to sink into the support beneath you. Feel the gentle weight of gravity anchoring you to the earth, grounding you in the present moment. Take a deep breath in, filling your lungs with air. And as you exhale, allow any tension or tightness in your body to melt away. Feel the muscles in your shoulders and back softening. Releasing any lingering stress or discomfort. Notice the sensation of the air as it enters and exits your body. Filling you with life-giving energy. With each inhale, feel yourself drawing in peace and tranquility. And with each exhale, release any worries or distractions that may be weighing on your mind. As you continue to breathe deeply, imagine yourself surrounded by a boundless expanse of space, stretching out in all directions as far as the eye can see. Above you, the night sky twinkles with countless stars, each one a distant sun burning brightly in the vastness of space. With each breath, feel yourself becoming more deeply connected to the celestial dance unfolding above you. Notice the patterns and constellations that dot the night sky. Their shapes and forms shifting and changing with each passing moment. Allow yourself to be filled with a sense of wonder and awe. As you gaze up at the infinite expanse of the cosmos. Now, as you sit in this state of calm and stillness, feel yourself being lifted up into the vastness of the sky. Carried on a gentle breeze of cosmic energy. All around you, stars twinkle and dance. Their light shimmering in dazzling patterns that stretch out to infinity. As you float among the stars, allow yourself to fully embrace the sensation of weightlessness. Feel your body effortlessly drifting through the vast expanse of space, untethered by the constraints of gravity. Let your mind become still and calm, like the quiet depths of space itself. Release any thoughts or worries that may arise, allowing them to drift away like distant comets. In this moment of cosmic stillness, find solace in the knowledge that you are part of something far greater than yourself, connected to the vast web of life that spans the universe. With each passing moment, feel yourself sinking deeper into a state of profound relaxation. Allow the energy of the universe to flow through you, filling you with a sense of peace and harmony that transcends time and space. As you bask in the gentle glow of distant stars, know that you are held in the loving embrace of the cosmos, cradled in its infinite wisdom and boundless love. Take a few more moments to simply be present in this cosmic oasis. Letting go of any need to control or understand. And when you are ready, slowly bring your awareness back to your body. Gently wiggling your fingers and toes. open your eyes and carry the sense of peace and tranquility you've found with you as you return to the world, refreshed and renewed.